Hello dear students. In today's video, we shall have a look into the General English syllabus from paper 2. Along with this, we shall study the usage of prepositions. If we look at the prescribed syllabus, we find that it contains many topics, but on a deep observation, they are all interconnected. Grammar is a set of rules and principles that govern how words are arranged to form meaningful sentences. It covers everything from the parts of speech to sentence structure to the verb tenses. Now, let's see the important elements in the syllabus. Here, we find that the syllabus begins with prepositions, transformation of sentences, parts of speech, error correction, sentence completion, substitution, synonyms and antonyms, passage comprehension, sentence arrangement, idioms and phrases, voices, that is active and passive voice, spotting the errors in the sentence, spelling test, sentence improvement, and para completion. But today, in this video, we shall learn the usage of prepositions. Students, we all know there are around 150 prepositions. They are all classified as prepositions of time, prepositions of place, direction, location, relation, etc. All these prepositions are always used before the noun or the pronoun. I'll repeat the sentence. All these prepositions are always used before the noun or the pronoun which is in the object place. This noun or the pronoun will be in the object place of the sentence. These prepositions are used to connect the noun or the pronoun to the verb. Now let us see the prepositions of time. There are many prepositions of time. Today we'll see the usage of some. At is used to suggest the point of time by the clock. I'll repeat. The preposition at is used to suggest the point of time by the clock. For example, at 8 a.m., at 10:30, at 4:45, etc. Another preposition in is used to suggest a longer period of time. For example, in the morning, in the evening, in the next week, in the next month, etc. On is used to suggest the day of the week or the date. For example, on Monday, on the next Thursday, etc. Let's continue. Another preposition from is used to suggest the start of action. For example, from Tuesday, from 25th February, etc. Till is used to suggest the end of action. For example, till 2 o'clock, till Friday, etc. Since is used to suggest the beginning of action in the past. Here are the examples. Since last Saturday, since 4 years, etc. Here are some of the exercises of prepositions of time. I get up at 6:30 a.m. and go for a walk. Now here the preposition at is used to suggest or to tell the exact time by the clock. Next example, I have a meeting in the morning. Now morning is the part of a day, and if we want to suggest this, if we want to mention this part of the day, the preposition used is in. I received the parcel on Saturday. Here Saturday is the day of the week and the preposition used is on. The college works from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Here the preposition from is used to tell the beginning of the action, the time when the action starts or the commences. Hema waited till 4 p.m. for the mail. Till is used to suggest the time until Hema waited for that action to be completed. He lives in Hubballi since 2 years. Now, since is used to suggest the action that began in the past but is still continuing. I was born in May 2000. May is the month and it is a larger period of time, so the preposition in is used. We have some different examples here. The work was finished before deadline. Now before is used to tell or to suggest the time of action. The students were discussing during the lecture. In this example, the lecture is going on or the lecture was going on and the students were discussing during that lecture. Every day I study for 8 hours, the total amount of time. If you want to suggest the total amount of time, the preposition for is used. The birds fly south in winter. Winter is a season. Winter as a season is a longer period of time. So the preposition in is used. So my dear friends, in this video we have completed some of the examples of prepositions of time. In the forthcoming videos, we shall study more examples and we shall also try to attempt to solve the questions from the previous year's question papers. Thank you.